for the lit squad tour of the condo? Alright, welcome to our condo. Let us show you the way. We got man recording. Man, the cameraman. Where you want? Where should I go? Alright, let's just go this way. We got one bathroom. We're gonna say the best for last. We got a bathroom right here. Luxurious double sink. His and hers. Show. We got a bedroom right here. This is my bedroom. You know, this is where me and the bae staying. This is our bathroom. Come over this way. Don't mind the mess. We got a little couch. We might let y'all business, you know what I'm saying? We got a bed. The view. We got a mini little, you know, view. Classy living, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go see where the squad at. Oh, first let's hit their room. Here's another room here. Every room has a view. You know, we living right off the beach, real luxurious. But here we can see some of the strip and some other pools and condos. Nothing major. Flat screen TVs, you know what I'm saying? Gotta do it big. Alright, another room. This is where the bros stand. We got the double beds, another flat screen, nice view. We got a closet there too, we ain't showed up. It's the kitchen. We're gonna have us a family dinner at this lovely dinner table right here. We're gonna have a lit dinner, Sunday dinner. Hey, y'all, say what up to the vlog! This is our living room. This is where we're gonna be kicking it, pre-gaming, living it up for the next 5 days. You feel me? And this is the best part out here. Let's just take a look out here. She's so cute. Right. Let's take a look out here. Yeah, now look at this. Take a gaze with us.
I'm finally comfortable now. You know
Take a gander. I got the nice shot down there. It was nerve-wracking.
We here, dog.
There's enough seats for all of us to come out here, kick it, watch the sunrise and set.
Have mimosas.
We gotta get mimosa stuff. Mimosas, breakfast, all that. Come all the way around. How beautiful. Amazing. What are you talking about? Hey, we should be crazy and scream, huh? Hey, what up? Turn up! Oh, I'm so excited. This is lit. And that's where we gonna be at. That's the tour.
We gotta be there by what, 2:30? No, it's at 2:30.
Of our Airbnb.
So we got let me get the address.
Stay tuned for the upcoming vlogs this whole weekend. It's gonna be
We're gonna be turned.
Period.
Give me.
Period. Okay? Do you hear us? Period. Hey. Crack, snacking,
One more room to shop.
One more room in this job again. Y'all, we had to play taboo for this room. Unfortunately, we didn't win this one, but you know it's all good. Look at this.
I'm going to that bathroom. That boy stink.
And this is what we have. They got the jacuzzi tub. How lit, how romantic. It's only right though. So yeah, that's it. Y'all gotta go. We about to turn up. We about to get it cracking up.